Good afternoon, traders. It is Monday, December 20th, 2021, and the U.S. stock market is closed. If you watched my video on Friday, I was slightly optimistic about what was happening in the stock market, suggested that maybe even there might be kind of a turnaround here. Uh, there's no turnaround. We had another crappy day. The Dow also had a crappy day. Interesting enough, we've had two big down days in a row. That's kind of unusual for the Dow. Normally it goes down hard one day and then reverses the next day. On Friday, the Dow fell over 500 points, and today it fell again right at the beginning of the day, recovered a little toward the end, but it was still down 433 points today. So we've had almost a 1,000 point drop here in 2 days, which is pretty significant. Looking at the chart, I would just say probably likely it's going to reverse some tomorrow. But if it goes down again tomorrow, that would definitely indicate real weakness in the Dow, and I would look for lower prices there. Okay, we had about 9 positions coming into today, and everything went to hell. These positions we had on Friday, with 4 hours into the day on Friday, we were at $10,000 positive, and then by the close on Friday, we had given some of that back, closed with about $7,000 positive on the close on Friday, and today, by the time we get out, we're negative almost 2,000. So we've seen a drop from $10,000 on the high on Friday to negative 2,000 on our get out today. $12,000 swing. That's just more of the same stuff we've seen over and over and over again. We've been getting these fairly profitable figures. 3, 4, 5 hours into the day, on the day we get in, and then they sell off some toward on the close, and then they go negative. Because we hold them overnight, they go negative. It's just the worst case scenario for our style of trading. We've seen it repeated many times. It's just sickening. But anyway, that's exactly what happened to us with our positions from Friday. Then we only got into one new position. It was a re-entry, and that was negative, and we're negative $2,300 going into tomorrow. So, we're basically negative 4,000 on our both our combined exits and entries today. So rotten day with the Dow down 433 points. Let's look at two of the stocks here. This first one is a good illustration of whack-a-mole activity. This is CPRX, which is Catalyst Pharmaceuticals Incorporated, and you can see this. We bought this thing on the last bar on Friday. Big spike up there. Don't know what caused that. We grabbed it because we do breakouts, and then this morning down it goes, and we sell. We bought it on the high bar on Friday. We sell it on the low bar today. and that was a $4,000 loss. And then, of course, once we get out, it starts climbing again. This is, this is the worst case scenario, and we just see way too much of that. They just won't let anything go higher. They just slam it down. And then I'll show you the best trade we have, but it's bittersweet. This is ACY, which is Aerocentury Corporation. Aerocentury Corporation. And we bought this on Friday, second hour. It closed pretty little, was a small profit on Friday, but it jumped up today, and we actually took $5,600 out of this in profit today. So that was going real good, but it keeps moving higher and higher, and then on the high bar of the day we get re-entered of this thing, and then it pulls back pretty hard there that last hour. So we're negative $2,300 on the re-entry. So we make $5,600 exiting, but give $2,300 back on the re-entry, and we're not out of this yet. And the way things are going, this thing will be lower tomorrow. That's just the way it is. Hey, another crappy day. This is Trader Bob signing off. I'll see you tomorrow on Tuesday.